Google's Pixel 8 Pro live images give us our first real look of what's to come. It was bound to happen sooner or later, but now we get to see live images of the Pixel 8 Pro. Poor Google doesn't have much luck with keeping its unreleased Pixel devices under wraps, and the Pixel 8 Pro is no exception. 2 leaked photos of Google's upcoming Pixel flagship were posted to Reddit, giving us our first look at the front and rear of what appears to be a real Pixel 8 Pro out in the wild. Those original pictures were swiftly removed from Reddit, but thankfully, not before we could grab a copy. The design is recognizably that of a Pixel device, though there are a few notable differences compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 7 Pro. The photo of the back of the Pixel 8 Pro gives us a clear view of the new triple-camera setup, which is now housed entirely in a single glass oval, unlike the 7 Pro's separate telephoto lens. A new sensor that can measure the user's body temperature can also be seen under the flash. There's no additional information regarding the camera specifications, though previous leaks suggest it'll be equipped with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 64-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto. There's also a sticker on the back identifying the phone as a prototype test unit marked with Zuma, the codename for Google's Tensor G3 processor. A pattern of lines can be seen on the lower half of the phone, but it's not entirely clear what this might be, or if it will make it into the final design later this year. The image displaying the front for the Pixel 8 Pro shows the phone's fastboot screen, which mentions Husky, the rumored codename for the Pixel 8 Pro, and lists 12 gigs of Samsung LPDDR5 RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. It also looks like Google has scrapped the curved display in favor of a flat one. This isn't the first time we've had a glimpse at the handset. Renders of the Pixel 8 Pro depicting a similar design appeared in March, and the phone made its first unofficial appearance in an internal Google video leak back in May. Most of what we're seeing in these new hands-on images reinforce the changes identified in those previous leaks ahead of its official announcement later this year. It looks like we will have to wait a bit more in order to see just how special these next-generation handsets are. But one thing that could make the Pixel 8 Pro unique is the possibility that it might arrive with an infrared thermometer. Even without the Pixel 8 series, Google has made a huge splash this year when it comes to hardware, launching the Pixel 7a, Pixel Tablet, and Pixel Fold. So stay tuned to the channel for more Pixel updates, and if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to drop a like and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.